friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to iQOO. In this video, I'm going to compare the screen recording between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus Redmi Note 9 Pro, friends. And if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, iQOO. And if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using exactly, which suits the mobile, as you can see. So whereas in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, you get exact punch hole, and even the Redmi Note 8 Pro, you get exactly the notch here. Even in the POCO X2, friends, you will get this kind of dual camera wallpapers, so which is very good. So do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of wallpapers. So you can find wallpaper playlist, friends, so which I did plenty of wallpaper reviews, so which will be very helpful for you all, friends. And meanwhile, if you're looking for more videos on POCO X2 or Redmi Note 8 Pro or Note 9 Pro, so you can find the plenty of videos, friends, in the description in the playlist, so which I uploaded so many videos on different phones. And here are the recently uploaded videos, friends. So if you're interested, you can take a look at the videos. And if you have any doubts with any of the mobile, you can message me in the Instagram. So there is a link in the description, friends. So definitely follow my page and you can message me. I'll be replying to you all in the Instagram, friends. And let's get started with the screen recording in the Redmi Note 8 Pro and Note 9 Pro. So the reason why I did compare this kind of video is that there is quite a few changes, friends, in terms of the screen recording functionalities both the phones are having, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Note 9 Pro. And if you're a gamer, and this will help you a lot in terms of deciding the phone, so it's better to buy or not. So let me open the screen recording settings in both the phones, friends, at the same time, and let's check what are the changes it is and what are the things are common in both the phones. And for more video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends. I'll be posting plenty of videos. And here is the first option, friends, which you can see resolution. So in both the phones, you get a very high resolution, friends. So 1080 you can record in both the phones, so there is no problem with that. And next thing, you need to take a look at the video quality. So as you can see, friends, at the moment you can only record 4 Mbps video quality, friends, and here in the Redmi Note 9 Pro you can go up to 16 Mbps, so which is a very good thing in terms of maintaining the video quality output. So definitely, friends, this also matters a lot in the future. So that is one thing which is a difference. So Note 9 Pro is far ahead of the Note 8 Pro. So maybe this can be the software update. I'm just waiting for the new software update to come in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, friends, at the moment. So maybe in the future that might get updated, but at the moment this is the case with both the phones. And next thing is that, so both the phones get the higher FPS. So as you can see, friends, 30 FPS. So that is another good advantage between both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Note 9 Pro. So only problem is with the video quality output. As you can see, friends, 16 Mbps. So definitely with the future update, the Note 8 Pro may receive this kind of high functionality. So this is overall screen recording comparison between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Note 9 Pro, friends. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, iQOO. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can message me in the Instagram. So do check the links in description, friends, for the link of my Instagram page. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.